How to use LegalZoom compliance package properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Many business owners think the LegalZoom compliance package handles all compliance automatically, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can lead to penalties, misfilings, or unnecessary fees. The first mistake is assuming one-time setup is enough. Compliance is ongoing. Annual reports, tax filings, and license renewals all need attention. Use LegalZoom's reminders, but actively track deadlines yourself. Another common error is not accurately entering business information. Incorrect names, addresses, or officer details can cause filings to be rejected or delayed. Double-check all data before submission. Many users skip customizing alerts. LegalZoom allows notifications for state filings, but beginners who ignore setup may miss critical deadlines. Customize alerts for your state and business type. Neglecting to maintain internal records is another pitfall. Compliance filings require supporting documents, and failing to organize your records can make audits or legal checks stressful. Keep digital and physical copies organized. Finally, some assume LegalZoom replaces professional advice. Complex ownership structures, multi-state operations, or tax issues may require attorney or accounting guidance. Use the package as a tool, not a replacement. To use LegalZoom compliance package properly, track ongoing filings, verify business information, customize alerts, maintain records, and consult professionals when needed. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll keep your business compliant and stress-free.